Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Landing Email. My name is MD Farhaz and I am the founder of Landing Email. In this video, I am going to show you how to connect tracking domains. Very easy step, guys. Just click on the sending and click on tracking domains. Then select create tracking domain. Why we do this? So the first thing is to the deliverability will be very good. You can track the open rates, click rates, and many more things. Then over here select HTTPS. Then over here let's say we will name this as track.noraz.com. Then we'll select the second option, DNS CNAME verification. Then click on save, and hence we get this options. Okay, we have to verify this. To do that, it's very simple. Under the CNAME we have to input all this. Very easy. Let's get back to our domain server, and over here the same thing what we did in the first video. We have to just edit over the domain DNS editor. We have to go, and what type we are doing, CNAME, and what is the name, it's track.noraz.com. we will put over here, and value is this. Okay, this is the one, and I will just add this as an add record, and it created successfully. Then we'll just refresh this. It might take few minutes or few hours. Let's just refresh it. Make sure it needs minimum 48 hours, guys, before it shows up as verified. Let's get back to tracking domains, and it's showing unverified, but soon it will show us it's verified. Let's click on this. We'll test it out. Yeah, track.noraz.com. that means that it is getting tracked, guys. So this is all about today's video. See you in the next video. Hope this video helped you out. Tata, bye bye.